Oh, let's go to Sandler's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Porgy Fry. Porgies Fry. Let's go to Sandler's kitchen again, okay? For the recipe. This porgies is washed. I'm going to slice it. I'm going to use a handful of black pepper. I'm going to make it into powder. Crush it. I'm going to crush the black pepper. All crushed. Adding about a cube of garlic. Crush it. Ginger, couple of slices, and mash it. Adding a habanero, mash it. Adding on shallot and mash it. Mash everything together. Crush it. All the crust goes into the thing for marination. Adding some lemon juice to the crust. Clean the crust pot, the rock stone, and goes into the mixture. Mix everything together. Adding some salt to taste. I added like 2 teaspoons. Mix everything together. Be careful with this fish. There's a lot of thorns. You want to poke in your fingers. Be careful, handle with care. Marination. Inside, outside. Marinated good. Oh man. It's been marinated. Leave it for 24 hours marination. So the fish tastes so good when you marinate long time. Leave it in the fridge. Porgies into the refrigerator for 24 hours marination. Porgies. The marinated fish, porgies, going into the oil to fry. Adding some snow in the oil, hot oil. Pouring some hot oil on the skin for crispy. Pouring some hot oil to get it crispy. Turning it around. Fish. Look at this. Look at this. That's crispy. Ready to come out. Porgies Fry. Ready to eat. Look at it, crispy. Ready to eat. For the recipe, go to Sandler's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make Sandler's Porgies Fry. I'm going to taste some. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A little bit of this. Let's use some lemon, lime. There's onion. Bang, bang.